Today I'm going to show you how to install the Broaddict exhaust system for your 4-door Bronco. First thing you want to do is you're going to take your 15mm socket and a ratchet. This might be a little tight, but once you get it going, it'll loosen right up. You're going to be reusing this clamp, and this stays attached to the exhaust. That's plenty loose enough. I'm just going to take my pry bar and separate this a little bit if I can. Looks like it's pretty stuck on there. Now I'm going to pop off this exhaust from this mount. I'm going to try to keep this bushing attached. I'm just going to slide this out. I have one more to take off. It's this one right here. And be careful that this doesn't fall on you. So once it's almost off, just rest your hand up there. Alright, so I was having difficulty. This was seized shut, so I had to take a hammer and a chisel or an air impact if you have it, and just chisel that up so that breaks loose. Once that's done, this will be loose enough to come off. The good thing about this Broaddict exhaust system, it's stainless steel and it will not rust like this. Now I'm going to install this exhaust hanger bracket onto the muffler. You're going to notice that there's an arrow right here, and there's also an arrow on the muffler itself right here. You're going to want to make sure they're facing the same direction. And take the bolt. Screw that in there. Oops. Get nice and tight. Alright, now it's time to bring it to the Bronco. Alright, so now it's time to stick the new muffler into the factory exhaust pipe. Just gonna wiggle it in there. I'm gonna keep that loose for now. And I'm gonna mount up the exhaust onto the mounts here. Little trick, put a little bit of penetrating fluid in there. It'll help slide that into there. Just like that. So upon installation, this mount fits fine, no problem. And I have the 2.7 liter V6. So not sure if this also works for a 2.3 liter, but this mount right here does not reach the factory mount here. I think the 2.3 liter mounts, I think this one is closer, which that may reach, but there's no way this is gonna fit. So what I had to do is I had to go to my local AutoZone. I had to pick up this universal exhaust hanger, 17150. Some of these bolts right here, it's an M8 by 1.25. And what I'm going to do with this is underneath here, I'm going to put it on this stud right here. Actually, I'm going to put the mount in there first. Put this on this stud right here. And those new bolts that I got, the M8s, they thread right onto the stud. And that's going to offer, it's going to extend this mount, and it's going to offer the support it needs. So just tighten that up. And this mount is adjustable too, so if you need it to go higher, you just press it higher if you need to. Make sure that's nice and tight, like so. Now it's time to install the exhaust tip. I already installed one of them. I'll show you how to install it on the passenger side. So you're going to slide this over here. There's going to be two adjustments for this. There's going to be adjustment here and adjustment for the tip itself. So you're going to adjust it so it's even with the other one as far as distance goes this way and up and down. And it's going to be 17 millimeter. I'm actually going to step around over here. Put my wrench on top. Just like that. Like I said, it has an adjustment go up and down. I want to make sure that it's level with the opposite one. That's nice and tight. And then the tip has an adjustment as well. There's a tip adjustment like that goes in and out, like that. Obviously you want to make it straight. So, make it level with that side. Tighten it up. that's it for the install.